Join me as I ditch my drip coffee maker and take on the challenge of brewing the perfect cup with a Coletti Percolator. After my black plastic drip coffee maker gave out after 5 years, I knew it was time for a change. And while it brewed decent coffee, it was still an eyesore on my kitchen counter, and I just couldn't shake the feeling that I wasn't truly connected to the process. Coffee is such an intimate ritual. If the tools you're using doesn't spark joy or make you feel good, it can really dampen the experience. A percolator, though, there's something about it, right? The process feels more intentional and hands-on, like you're re-engaging with the tradition of making coffee and not just doing a quick task. It's kind of like returning to a beloved habit or memory of a simpler time. You know, percolators have a charm that modern machines just can't match. There's something very satisfying about hearing the bubbling, watching the steam rise, and knowing that your coffee is brewing in that nostalgic rhythm. Plus, the flavor is richer in a way that modern methods sometimes miss. After doing a bit of research online for the perfect percolator, I discovered Coletti. And what makes Coletti stand out is its stunning design and exceptional quality. This classic rugged percolator is built to handle the heat of a campfire, gas, or electric stovetop. It features a glass top so you can watch the coffee brew and enjoy the process. This pot holds up to 12 cups and is made entirely of 100% steel. No aluminum, no plastic, assuring it's toxic-free and safe for dishwashers. They also include medical-grade percolator coffee filters, and while they're not necessary to use the pots, they do make cleanup a little easier and help keep the fine coffee grounds out of your brew. And if you ever run into any issues, Coletti offers a forever replacement guarantee, showing just how much they stand behind their craftsmanship. Plus, their customer service is top-notch, so you're always covered. I love the rustic design of this Coletti classic pot. It's not perfect. These are handcrafted, family-owned by veterans. And you can see like the little dimples and the little marks. Honestly, it just gives it such beautiful charm. This little glass, I mean, that's always the special part, right? Watching the coffee brew and percolate. Oh my goodness. But you know, it just screws right in there. It's nice and tight. It's really solid. I mean, honestly, I don't really use the handle. I guess if I was out on a campfire, I definitely would. And I'm an outdoors woman, so you never know. Once I start to hear the percolator going, I turn the heat down lower, so it gives it time to really perk through, and it doesn't take as long as you think. I thought, oh my goodness, I'm going to wait forever for this coffee in the morning, but you really don't. By the time I brush my teeth, I make my bed, and I come out, the coffee is ready. I don't know when you load your dishwasher, but I load mine after dinner. So I did put it in there for the first night, but then I was like, wait a minute. I don't want my percolator in the dishwasher all day long. I want to display it on my stove. Would a teapot or a cast iron skillet. I mean, it is so beautiful. Why would I want it in my dishwasher all day? You know, it's so easy to hand clean. I just take it apart. I just rinse it right off, throw it on a paper towel, and it just dries. I love it. I believe you're going to love it also. It's rustic. It's so charming, and it makes a great cup of coffee. This is how coffee is done. Want to experience the magic of Coletti's percolator for yourself? I included the link in the description. Trust me, your mornings will thank you. Hit the like button, leave a comment below with your favorite coffee memory, and don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss a video on wellness and holistic living. So what's the takeaway from all this? Well, for me, it's simple. The Coletti Percolator has completely changed my coffee game. The flavor is better and the experience is just more enjoyable. I mean, I'm not going to lie, there's a certain romance to brewing coffee the traditional way. There's something special about watching the coffee flow, the hearing of the gurgle. It's like I finally found what I've been searching for all along, an enjoyable morning experience with the perfect cup of coffee.